by gators?
What?
Like alligators?
No, I know what a gator is, thank you. No, I haven't. I locked myself in my car once.
I gotta throw this out. That's stupid on your part. I really thought you were an intelligent man up until that moment just now, Kevin. My wife locked herself out of her car twice while her car was running.
Well, how does that happen? That explains
a lot. One time, though, she didn't realize it. We left for the entire day, and the car was running in the apartment complex parking lot. And we got home, and it was still on, and I was like, oh my God.
Stupid story. I used to think whenever somebody said that they were going to unlock a car with a Slim Jim, I honestly thought the first time I ever saw that, someone's going to come up with a big Slim Jim, and they were going to break over the car, and then they brought, like, clearly not the beef jerky thing, and I was like, oh, snap into a Slim Jim. I didn't say anything at the time, but I was just thinking, it's Slim Jim, how the hell is that going to work?
Got his ass off that way.